Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this particular video I will be showcasing you how you can insert a physical SIM in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This particular method will be used for iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro and the Pro Max. But before starting the video, do note that if you have the US variant of the iPhone 16 series, then definitely you will not be able to use that particular method because the US variant will only use the eSIM, not the physical SIM. And you're moving towards the first step. The first thing you will need in order to insert the SIM in the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a SIM ejection tool. Normally, this SIM ejection tool will be available in the box, but if you don't find it there, then the paper pin can be a good option for you. Now, the second step is that you just need to locate the positioning of the SIM tray on the iPhone 16 series. You just need to insert the tip of the pin or the paper pin in that particular hole and you just need to press it. After pressing that, SIM tray will be pop out and you just need to take out that SIM tray. And after that, the third step is coming in here. Now in third step, you just need to align the SIM with the SIM tray. As you can see, there is a half cut in the SIM and in the SIM tray. You just need to align both of them as you can see in the video, just like that. And after that, you just need to insert that particular tray into the position and you are done. You can use that particular method for the iPhone 16 series. And yo guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.